All right. Good morning. I haven't done a vlog in the morning in a little bit. It is Monday. It is June 14th, 2021. It is vlog 108. Just trucking along, but it's June 14th, man. Is that half the year? I guess so. We're in 06. Almost half the year has gone by. Crazy. Very interesting. I think I was saying this before. The year has been going by fast. It's kind of crazy. Did have a good weekend. It was kind of chill. Yeah. Did some stuff, and yeah, and it's Monday. Actually, it was weird this morning. I woke up and, well, what am I gonna do today? And Carrie was like, "We have a good life." We worked for it, but we were just kind of like figuring out what we were doing today. And I don't have anything really pressing, but I have stuff to do. So it's like, I'll get to it when I get to it. But let's start out with the tuning this morning. I have actually been playing. There's a new song I'm working on. Black Pumas, totally digging their music. And there was one song I'm trying out, and I like it. It's really good. But anyways, here we go. Nice. But yeah, it's Monday. Let's see. Let's recap from. I think I already did Friday. Friday was a cool day. Oh yeah, we sold like 4 hand pans that day. It was pretty awesome. Good day on Friday. Met Francois and Ollie. It was super cool. Actually, Francois, I have to check out the message. He was saying, "Daniel, you should teach on this site." And I was like, interesting. Might go check it out. And then Ryan from Ukaipa came in, and it was awesome. He was so excited to get a hand pan. He couldn't believe it. He was like, wow. It's very interesting because like I think I've said this before. Since I see hand pans every day, and I have one, I have 2 in the house right now. I guess I'm just blessed to have that, because there's not a lot of hand pans out there. It's kind of crazy. It is a special instrument. It's cool. Not good ones. Not a lot of good ones, I should say. There's a lot. Like, oh my god, I see some crazy hand pans, man. But anyways, let's see. Saturday was a busy day. It was the first of doing live jamming together live, and I did a little one. Some of the Ook Social crew came out. It was Gary, Dean, and Nikki, and it was fun. We just had a good time just playing. It was hot though, and like we should do like a park or something, but I'm still trying to figure it out, because I think the restrictions are supposed to lift this month, but people are kind of like whatever. But yeah, and then there's a lot more people that want to get lessons for the summer for their kids and stuff like that, and I'm starting to get that too. It's kind of crazy. So I think I'll be busy doing lessons, and I enjoy teaching, so it's fun. And let's see, did the yeah, it was good. It was the first time I took out the looper on my amp, and I was testing it out, and we did a few songs with just the drum beat, just practicing timing and stuff like that. But it was cool. They enjoyed. Like, it was fun to have like the extra drum beat or that rhythm, and just to practice the timing on that side of it, which is cool. That's what the looper's been helping me with, is timing. It's kind of cool. Let's see. And actually afterwards, talking about lessons, it was funny. There was another couple right as soon as I was cleaning up, like packing up the shop, because I did the live show at the shop, which was trippy. But since everything's opening, Carrie mentioned, she goes, maybe we should just do it live. And I just go, actually we can. But I still kind of want to do a live show for everybody. I don't know, maybe. Well, we'll see. We'll see what happens. I still want to keep the live show going for DI. That's going to be a cool thing. But I'll plan this summer to see what we're going to do, because I want to do more interviews with people, just have a place to share knowledge and stuff like that, just kind of low key, and especially for the local scene, so they have some place to go to find out about ukulele information. And then I get to meet all the people that are playing ukulele, which is cool. That's my selfish reason. But yeah, I gotta plan that. I'll think about that today. Came home tired. It was a long day because I went in at 11. I got up early to do that. I always try to show up an hour early. And then it took me till 5. And then it was Aaron's birthday this weekend. Happy birthday, Aaron! And the girls were getting together at her house, so they went and partied. And Carrie asked if I wanted to go, but I wasn't feeling it. It's kind of weird. But happy birthday, Aaron. Not that I didn't want to hang out with you. I just was tired that day. I didn't feel like partying. And then, so I just chilled out the rest of the day. It was cool. And then Sunday, I kind of cleaned house, did vacuuming, vacuumed the patio, which is cool. Sometimes I get in this cleaning mode, and then I just do a lot. And it's kind of cool because it makes the house nice. I like that. When the house is clean, it clears your mind. It's that feng shui thing. Once you have a clean house or clean mind, and you can think. It's kind of cool. But after that, I just chilled out and I was playing. I have a game I like to play, and when I get a chance, I get, because it's kind of a long game, but it's online. It's called War Thunder. It's like the ultimate, my favorite video game, because I don't know, I always like World War II planes and planes in general, and War Thunder it's so crazy. It's like you're flying these planes in real time and you play against people, and oh my god, it's like my childhood dream come true. And it's hilarious that I like to play it now because I'm going to 50, so can anybody say midlife crisis? Whatever. I think I've been having a midlife crisis forever. I don't think I've ever grown up. It's kind of crazy. I still feel young. My body a little more achy, but still feel young. Just stretching every day. That's the key. Stretch. But then play a little War Thunder, and then I just messed around on my computer, and then Carrie went to go run, and then I did some looping practice, and I recorded myself for an hour. I'm not gonna put it on here. I think I'm just gonna put it separate because it was an hour. I'll just make a separate post because I wanna start posting that, so it makes me learn the looper, because I want to do probably both, online live sound baths or something like that. That'd be kind of cool. Just music, which is fun. And what did I learn yesterday? Timing is everything. I had switch, there's memories on there. Right now what I'm doing is just practicing different settings on the looper, because you can have separate settings for different songs, and it makes the song sound different. So I'm just trying out the different ways you can do it. So I practice it a few times and then save that to the memory, which I can keep, and then I can just go to the next one and try a different setting, and then just keep on going down. I just want to do different things, different settings, and see how it works. It's pretty cool. Yesterday it was fun. I had the ook rocking, the flute rocking, had my new the new mic. I was testing that out, and it sounded pretty good because I'm recording through Ecamm. And then there's other things I have to learn. There's so much. I'm going down the audio, how to record audio rabbit hole. So there's, oh my god, from computer recording, which is, I have to learn that, to the equipment that you have, how to hook up, oh god, the different frequencies, bit rates. It's like editing. It's like visual editing, but more. It's like so crazy. But it's interesting how that happens, because for video editing now, after doing it for a while, like it's kind of weird because I can look through the videos really fast, and then usually kind of like what I'm looking at a lot of the times is the waveform or the sound that's going through, and I can see where parts are where people speak and when they don't speak, and I can see where the cuts are according to the audio. So it's already kind of in me, like how that works. And so now I am applying it to audio and music, which is like music editing, which is kind of cool. Actually, video editing is basically music editing after a while, because the sound is a lot. It's like more than 50% of the video is the music, or the sound. It's pretty crazy. Actually, yeah, they say the video can look fantastic and have bad sound, and it'll be a bad video. But it can have bad video, like shaky video and stuff, but good sound and still be a good video. Pretty interesting. Music and sound. That's weird. That's trippy how that is, huh? Why is that? And I asked the question. I know there's several reasons why, but yeah. Are we more auditory animals or vision animals? It's kind of weird. Interesting. But yeah, timing is everything on the looper. I learned that. It's pretty fun. And then I chilled out the rest of the day. So that was my week. It was a good weekend. It was a nice weekend. Yeah, there's more people wanting lessons. I have that. I just emailed like this morning. I was emailing some people because it's a little bit. It's not the morning right now. It's 12:41. I thought it was the morning. It feels like the morning to me because, yeah, I don't wake up early. That's one of the keys to success is getting up early, but I stay up late. So yeah, I guess I just schedule my day that way. I don't know. I think it's the time that you do. Actually, I was thinking about it today. Like, I feel good because right now a lot of the time, like for editing, was like I'd have to wait and do it, and it kind of like it made me procrastinate more on the video edits, even though it would take me longer because I procrastinated. It's kind of weird. Now, like, since I have a faster computer, everything's like twice as fast. It's pretty awesome. Like, I don't have to wait as long, so I can finish a project and just be done. And now I know like how quickly stuff I can get done. It's pretty awesome. Like, I have more time to do stuff. But there's a lot of things I'm thinking about. So a lot of planning and things like that. So if I can do things quicker, it's a lot better. And having my desk set up, it's so much better. That makes me work more, I guess, but I have fun working. It's my life. Making your business your life. It's like, yeah. And then you basically control your time the way you want to. Like right now, if I wanted to, I can just go skateboarding if I wanted to, and that sounds like a good idea. It's Monday. We'll see what happens. Maybe I'll go roll around. I do feel like rolling around. So today that's what I'm trying to figure out. What am I going to do today? Maybe skateboard. I know. Let's see. What are some things I have to do? I know there's some stuff I have to do. There's some follow-up work that I have to do, but yeah, I'll probably end up editing some stuff. Maybe go skateboarding, and then yeah. I can say we have a good life, but we work for it. It's kind of cool. It took us, how long is this? I think business-wise, it's been over 10 years. 10 years to get to this point. It's kind of cool. And it's still going. We just have a lot of stuff that we're doing, so. But it's fun. It makes life interesting. We have some plans for traveling soon, which is cool. We don't have we can always travel where we want. you know, because we could just say, yeah, we're gonna go tomorrow, which we actually can do. But yeah, but you know, it's like, I don't know why I'm babbling. I'm just babbling right now, but it's Monday. You know, it's a beautiful day right now. Actually, we didn't look at the weather. Let's look at the weather. I didn't even do the weather. Da-da-da, da-da-da-da. Today is 73 of a high of 82, so it's gonna be a very nice day. And I'm looking outside. It looks like there's a slight breeze, so that's good. And yeah, I think I might do that. I might go cruise on my bike or something. We shall see. Get outside. I haven't done that in a while. But anyways, that's all I have for me today. It is June 14th. It is Monday. It is Vlog 108, and it's a beautiful day. So that's all I have for me today. And like always,